This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
You know how building and training an actual physical AI robot used to require a massive university lab, a team of engineers, and millions of dollars? Well, that era is completely over. Hugging Face just dropped something called LeLab, and it essentially turns training a real-world robotic arm into a weekend DIY project that anyone can do in their bedroom. This is honestly one of the coolest things I've seen in open source AI, and I have to show you how insane this workflow is. Imagine you have a cheap 3D printed robotic arm sitting on your desk. You want it to organize your pens, sort your screws, or make you a coffee. Normally, you'd have to write hundreds of lines of complex Python code just to get the motors moving. But with LeLab, there is absolutely zero code involved. None. It is a completely free, plug-and-play graphical interface that runs right in your browser. Here is how you actually do it. The setup uses something called teleoperation. You basically have two robotic arms. One is the leader arm that you hold in your hand like a video game controller, and the other is the follower arm that exactly mirrors your movements. You plug them into your computer via USB, type one quick install command, and LeLab instantly detects your hardware. You do a quick calibration, plug in two cheap webcams, one looking at the desk and one mounted on the robot's wrist, and you are ready to start. To teach the robot a task, you just physically show it what to do. Let's say you want it to grab a pen and put it into a wooden cup. You just grab your controller arm, move it to pick up the pen, and drop it in the cup. That's one episode. You press the space bar, reset the pen, and do it again. You just do this about 50 times. It takes maybe 15 minutes, and it literally feels like playing a game. And if you make a mistake and drop the pen, no problem. You just hit a button to cancel that recording and try again. Once you have your 50 recordings, the LeLab software automatically packages all that video and movement data together. Now, you might be thinking, but Abdullah, I don't have a massive $10,000 NVIDIA computer to train an AI model. And that is the absolute best part of this entire project. Hugging Face integrated their cloud compute directly into the app. From a simple drop-down menu, you can choose to train the AI locally on your own machine, or you can rent a high-powered cloud GPU for literally 40 cents an hour. You select your hardware, click Start Training, and just walk away. You can actually watch the AI get smarter in real time. If you test the robot early on, say, after only 3,000 training steps, it acts like a clumsy toddler. It swings its arm around and completely misses the pen. But if you let it finish its full training cycle, the results are mind-blowing. The robot doesn't just blindly replay your movements. It actually learns how to interact with the physical world. If you place the pen in a slightly different spot on the desk, or if you move the wooden cup, the AI recognizes the change through the cameras and dynamically adjusts its mechanical grip mid-air to successfully grab the object. It generalizes the task. We are stepping into a wild new era where anyone with a 3D printer and a few cheap motors can build smart, adaptable agents for their own homes. The barrier to entry for robotics is gone. I'm going to be doing deep dives into more crazy DIY AI projects just like this. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now on AIX. Let me know in the comments what you would train a robot arm to do in your room, and I will see you in the next one.